And finally, the last drill is really our newest drill that we implemented a couple of years ago, because many freshmen that come to Weber, or many students that come to the training center, because they bowl on house shots and because their alignment needs a little bit of work, most people have an over-the-top swing. So in order to really teach somebody that the swing actually at the top needs to tuck about 2 or 3 inches, we have the tuck swing drill, or the out to in drill. And this is a really good way to get the ball to start feeding to the right leg or through the right leg if you're right-handed, and it gives the bowler a different feeling, and will also change your release from going over the top to keeping your elbow to the inside. Okay, so for our 5th and final drill, this is the newest drill that we introduced to the training here and to Weber. It was really out of a need, and when we give lessons, or when we get freshmen here that start our developmental program here at Weber, or any of our junior gold bowlers, we tend to see the same thing. And we usually see swings that tend to go out, go behind the back, and come over the top. And really changing the plane of that swing is very difficult because there are compensations built into the system of that bowler. So we designed this drill to change the feeling of what a swing is actually trying to do. And when we study the best players in the world, we know that the swing stays on the side of the body and comes to the inside and tends to go through the bowler side leg. So if you're right-handed, the plane of the swing will go through the right leg. All right? So what this swing is designed to do is to change that feeling and to change the swing plane, okay? So what Lauren's gonna do is she's in her foul line position. She puts the ball in the middle of her body, and she's gonna push the ball over her slide foot inside, and she's gonna let this thing swing to the outside, and then it's gonna tuck back to the inside. So if you notice most swings tend to be pushed here, come to the inside, and then the shoulder has to over rotate and come over the top. All right, so do that slow again. Inside, out, and tuck. And then what actually happens, we all know that we also have to, one of the elements of a good release is to keep your elbow in. The inertia of the swing tends to create a situation where the elbow stays in by itself, and you get this nice professional follow through that goes through your face. So by using the inertia of the ball, changing your feeling, this drill is very, very effective of getting that player from going outside in and over the top. Hope you like it.